Hi, my name is Flavio and this is project0. This is my website and it is about the Rubik's Cube. All the pages, those are the pages: index, variation.html, speed cubing, and word records. Every page is linked to a navbar, which is a bootstrap content, and those are the pages. Those are completely responsive. As you can see, it is. When I resize the window, it is perfectly responsive, and also the navbar is responsive. Then we have a speed cubing page, which is a description of the speed cubing and the races made in the original races. And this is an unordered list. This is a table, and I use the over to highlight the thing that you over. Those are the puzzles that we have in the twisty puzzle. There, all the twisty puzzles that we have, and when you resize, they goes like this, one for each row, and when you resize up the window, they goes for each row. And then we have the home, which is a simple description of the Rubik's Cube. Also, this completely responsive, and there it is, the code. I used Bootstrap for the navbar, and I included images. This is the variation page, and I used some tables and row and columns for Bootstrap to make this effect. Then we have speed cubing, which is something like the index page, but with the difference that we have some UL and some LI, like this for this. Then we have word records, which is a long list, a long table made of row and columns. So we have the table header for the date, single name, and season of. Then we have the table data, which is all this data. And last but not least, we have the variable CSS file, which is all this file, and I included variables in inheritance and nesting, like for this. And so we have many selectors: class selector, element selector, ID selector, media queries. Then we have the element comma element selector, and that is it. This is all the CSS, and also the attribute selector. This is my project 0, and this is it.